512,000 lines of source code, 44 hidden feature flags, 1,096 internal files, all leaked in a single NPM update. Let that sink in. Anthropic just accidentally shipped their entire AI agent source code to NPM, and the internet moved faster than their lawyers. Inside this leak, hidden autonomous agents, unreleased models, and a blueprint for what comes next. Stay to the end. What Mythos reveals about AI's future changes everything. March 31st, 2026. A debugging file got bundled into a routine update. A 57 megabyte source map pointed straight to Anthropic's cloud storage. And just like that, their most valuable codebase was public. 2 leaks in 5 days. First, the secret Mythos model got exposed in a data cache. Then the entire Claude Code source hit NPM. By the time Anthropic reacted, 60,000 developers had already forked the repo. And by the next morning, it was rebuilt from scratch. The cause? A single missing entry in .npm ignore. That's it. Version 2.1.88 shipped with unobfuscated source maps. 501,000 lines of their $2.5 billion product, exposed to anyone who typed npm install. Security researcher Chao Fenshu found it first. But by then the damage was done. The architecture is fascinating. At the center sits an agent core that routes through a permission layer, a tool execution system, a model router that picks between different Claude models, and a persistent memory store. This is not a chatbot. It's a full autonomous agent framework. The real gold is in the feature flags, 44 of them. KAIROS, daemon, always on, auto dream, active, coordinator mode for spawning parallel agents, voice mode, an undercover mode to hide AI identity in open source, and AFK autonomous mode, which lets the agent operate completely independently. KAIROS is the one that should get your attention. It's a daemon that runs while you sleep. It performs memory consolidation, merging scattered observations, removing contradictions, converting vague insights into hard facts. This isn't a feature. It's an AI that improves itself while you're not looking. To put this in perspective, Claude Code generates $2.5 billion in annual revenue, 96 internal files, at least 6 unreleased models referenced in the code. This wasn't just a leak, it was the exposure of an entire AI empire's roadmap. Here's where it gets wild. Developers didn't just fork the code, they rewrote it. The original 512K lines of TypeScript, closed source, telemetry everywhere. The recreation, rewritten in Python and Rust, fully open, telemetry stripped, experimental features unlocked. Anthropic's copyright claims, instantly irrelevant. One developer went full meta. They compiled the leak source, loaded it into Claude, and had the AI analyze its own code base. It spawned a team to audit itself, found its own hidden features, and essentially turned into a self-improving system. You can't make this stuff up. 60,000 forks overnight, full rewrites in multiple languages. Anthropic tried takedown notices, but the code had already evolved beyond their original version. The blueprint for autonomous AI agents was now permanently, irreversibly public. The leak also exposed Anthropic's entire model pipeline. Internal code names mapped to products. Fennec is Opus, Capra is Sonnet, Tengu is Haiku. But above them all sits a new tier called Mythos, codenamed Capybara, plus references to Opus 4.7 and Sonnet 4.8, both confirmed in development. Mythos isn't an upgrade. It's a new class of model entirely. Anthropic calls it a step change in capabilities. 1 million token context window, both fast and full reasoning modes. And the kicker, Anthropic has been privately warning government officials that Mythos could make large-scale cyber attacks significantly more likely. As Andrej Karpathy puts it, we are entering the Loopy Era. Agents running self-improvement loops, editing their own code, getting better without humans in the loop. And the Claude Code leak just gave everyone the playbook. Look at how fast this moved. 2023, AI autocomplete, GitHub Copilot finishes your lines. 2024, chat-based coding assistance. 2025, agentic tools that run commands and edit files. 2023, fully autonomous agent teams that plan, build, test, and deploy without you. In 2026, humans stopped writing most code. Instead, they direct and orchestrate agents. Karpathy's auto research ran 700 experiments in 48 hours on a single GPU, discovering 20 novel optimizations with 0 human intervention. That's not a tool. That's a colleague. The leaked coordinator mode shows where this is heading. A single agent decomposes a task, spawns a team of workers, each running with auto-dream and self-improvement enabled, then merges the results. Agents running agents, improving in the background 24/7. The Claude Code leak didn't just expose source code, it exposed the future. Autonomous agents that dream, coordinate, and self-improve. Models so powerful their creators are warning governments. The next level of AI isn't coming. It's already here.